In this video, I'll show you how to program your General Electric universal remote control with your TV or other devices like your cable box, DVD player, sound system, sound bar, and much more. There's actually two different ways on how this can be done. One that is to input a specific code for your device, and the other one, the remote control, search for this code automatically. Let's start with that one, and if it does not work, I'll show you how to do it using the codes. So the first step is to turn on your device. My TV is now turned on. Perfect. Then we need to press this setup button right over here. Keep it pressed until the lights stays on. Okay? The power button light over here should stay on like this. Then we need to press on TV button, cable box button, DVD player button, or audio button, depending which device you're trying to pair. In my case, it's TV, so I'll just press once on the TV button. Then we need to point this remote control towards the device. Make sure the device is actually turned on. And the next step is to press this power button until, in my case, the TV turns off. If it does not work from the first try, do it again. Okay, it worked. Next, power back this device on manually. Do not use the remote control. Wait for this device to be turned on. Then you're going to press the volume up button while you're pointing towards the device until it turns off again. Do this a few times. Over here we go. The device, my TV turned off after 3 times. And then all you have to do is to press again on the top button over here that you pressed previously. In my case, it's a TV, so I'll press again on TV. This will store the code on the remote control and we're good to go. Try your remote control to see if every buttons are actually working the way they're supposed to. Sometimes only a few of them are working, and you'll need to try my second method if this is happening or if any of these buttons are working at all. Now let me show you the second method. Turn on your device. My TV is turned on. And we'll need to press again the setup button a few seconds until the power button is having this light staying on. Perfect. Now again, press one of these buttons, TV, cable, or DVD player, audio. It's a TV, so I'll press on TV. And now it's time to enter a code over here specific to your device brand. This remote control comes with a very long list over here of every single code. There's thousands of them. I'll scan this paper and put it on the screen since it's a bit hard to show you like this. You just have to pause and take note those codes. It may be one code or multiple ones. I'll check over here, and right under LG I have 6021 and then I have other codes, so I'll keep these in mind. Now if you're not fast enough to enter the code, the remote control will go out of pairing mode. So you'll need to restart the process once again. So let me redo it quickly. I'll press the setup button. Okay, then TV. And now I'll enter the code over here, 6021. Once you enter the code, go ahead and start using the remote control to see if the buttons are working. If everything works, perfect. You don't need to do anything else. The code is now stored in your remote control. If it does not work, redo the same steps, but try the next code on the list, the next 4 digits code, until it works. So I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.